Hi and welcome to Bikerheadz. My name's Ed Miles and today I'm going to be talking about two jackets, the men's Guardian and the ladies. Okay, so let's get right into the men's and ladies Guardian jacket. We're talking about the men's one, it's a little bit easier to see on camera. Ladies on this side in the fuchsia and black. Same features between the two jackets, so I'm going to talk about the men's one for you and that will apply exactly the same to the ladies. So let's get right into it. On the top, you've got a neck adjuster on the top with poppers, straights it down the front. You are talking about a fully waterproof jacket here, so it's fully waterproof, fully breathable. BW Tech 100 Plus membrane from Bering. It's a very reliable membrane, it's fully breathable and fully waterproof, so that's that out of the way. Second thing, it's 3-year warranty on all Bering products. So make sure you get into your store, try this one, and you get 3 years at least warranty out of it. So it's a great quality product and they're prepared to put their warranty behind that. It's CE approved, so it's all abrasion resistant, burst resistant, tear resistant, but it's giving you the proper confidence you're going to want in a jacket. Let's run through some of the features. As I say, full zip down the front, ABS system around the top, so you're getting airflow into the jacket via these top vents here, and then you've got exhaust down the back that I'll show you in a second. You open up at the front here, smock area behind the zip with the storm flaps. You're not going to get any water running through there, and that's going to give you a windproof where the zip is. So it's a fully waterproof and windproof jacket. Slide that back up, coming around to the side. Pockets down the side, very easy to use, very simple. Pulling the arm up, you've got adjusters around the waist, so you can cinch it in around the waist when you're riding, loosen it off when you're walking around. Pull the arm back down, you've got a PU panel on the top here, a bit of extra protection. You have got CE approved protectors underneath that, so shoulders and elbow protectors built into the product. Coming down to the bottom, you've got a zipped area and a popper to adjust the cuffs, so you should be able to get summer or winter glove in the bottom of these cuffs. These little details sometimes missed out by some manufacturers. Bering very good at allowing you to do that. Coming on the back, there are those vent points I spoke about earlier to allow the air to exhaust out the back of the jacket. Reflector on the top, bit of active safety on the back of the jacket as well. Lovely design coming down the back. I'll spin it back to the front. This is a sport cut jacket, even though it is a windproof, waterproof, warm product. It is a sport cut with that sort of racing heritage, racing look that Bering loves so much. Opening up the front again. Inside, you've got a pocket here. And then you've got this lovely polar fleece lining. If you get into your local store and feel that lining, it really is very special. It really is a high quality, very warm product. Obviously that's removable for the summer. Coming around the other side, you see fully removable lining, 3M Scotch-Lite label on there, that's the part on the back. And if you just pull that lining up slightly, you can see the BW Tech 100 Plus membrane. It's a laminated membrane, which means you're going to get the moisture out of the jacket much quicker than you would if those were separate areas. So that is the Bering Guardian Jacket for 2019. For any more information, please go to bikerheadz.com or like and subscribe below.